coronavirus, on top of everything else, I now have COVID. So I am isolating from my husband in this lovely hotel room for I don't know how long. But I brought my laptop. On day one, I felt okay. I thought I'd get some writing done and just isolate and keep away from the husband, set up my computer, did a couple things for work, and was completely wiped out. Developed fever and went straight to bed. It's day 6 of my isolation with COVID, and I have not even begun to make this video I was going to about this COVID situation. Let me fill you in, but I'm gonna need. My fever broke the next day. I still wasn't really able to eat much. I ended up eating some toast and honey, even though a friend brought me some freezer meals for me to stick in the microwave here. Vegetable tikka masala, yeah. I still didn't have any coffee. I started to improve day after day. I developed a sore throat on day 3, and my friend brought me some lozenges. Also, that day, my daughter brought me this card, wishing you well. Lovely. And this mug, which is perfect for tea. I'm not a huge tea drinker. I'm more of a coffee girl. But my mother says when you're sick, what you should eat is bread. Bananas, rice, apples, y'all. Bananas, rice, applesauce, and tea. Bananas sound absolutely disgusting, but rice and tea for sure. And I have apples. On Wednesday, I was strong enough to. On Tuesday, I was also strong enough to take out the garbage, so that was nice. I got a fresh garbage bag going from them. And on Thursday, which was yesterday, I did some laundry. And I sat down and I did a little writing. Through this, I watched all of Wednesday. I rewatched all of Women Who Kill. And I listened to most of Wuthering Heights, all of Northanger Abbey, and all of The Wife Who Got a Life, which is a fantastic novel. Love it. Absolutely love it. I'll put a link below. I've listened to these all on Audible. I told you back in December that I bought myself an Audible subscription for Christmas so I could go for walks. I did that for about 2 weeks. And then I stopped walking, but I'm really enjoying these books. They were a life sent while I was driving down to Sydney, and Vienna and I listened to all of the Good Bad book. I think I got that title right, which she absolutely loved. Although there was one point I had to actually pull over because it was so disgusting. It made me sick. Things kids listen to, honestly. And then she and I started Wuthering Heights, which she really loves, but I've promised her I'll listen to it again. I slept through most of it, to be honest, that first day. So I got my bunny jumper. This is another one of my little mail calls. My husband brought this around to me. Oh, bunny house coat. It's just so warm. I got this at a shop here called Best and Less, which is exactly as it sounds. It's sort of Target's too fancy if for those of us who shop at Best and Less. But I mean, like, look at this face. Everything that had a bunny on it was 30% off, and I went a little crazy. So everybody's got bunny things. It's like, I need a house coat. I've got my in-laws staying with me. I can't, and I don't have an ensuite bathroom, so I can't walk from one room from down the hall in a towel in front of my in-laws, right past their room. So I needed a house coat, and I'm like, well, 30% off. Happy Easter. Well, I got a little bit distracted by YouTube.
I'll take a paper.
TV.
Thank you very much.
Casey.
Shameless. No, I didn't.
Didn't I? I think I'll sit down, put on Emma's, bring a blanket, maybe even get my blanket because my feet are cold, and write for a few hours before it gets dark. Noticed that my characters in this particular part of the video novel are kind of floating. I haven't actually described where they are, so I'm gonna do that.
Hola amigos, welcome back to another one of my Bring a Blanket live writing and productivity sprints. I hope that you are having an awesome Thursday. I thought I had sorted out my crazy hair, but apparently I haven't. I've just been out.
One thing I should say that's really crazy about COVID is that I can breathe so clearly. I've had like a stuffy nose, I think, for like 15 years with my allergies, and for some reason, I'm completely clear. I still don't recommend it. I love this program so much. I love how it organizes everything. I love that with the click of a button I can add a scene. This is ideal for writing and editing, and I just think it's great. It's so great. I'm currently doing that editing, and pop up that video up here, and you can. I'm so bad at knowing where that is. thinking instead of chapters, I might break up the book into parts. So far I've broken it up into 3 acts, but I might break it up even further. Sort of inspired by what Marissa Meyer did in Cinder. If you haven't read that, it's a fantastic book. And the way she had lines from Cinderella. But I think I want to go a little bit different. I want to have lines from different Cinderellas, different incarnations that I liked, I think.